the nameless the whole fucking time, just attacking the nameless. But we need someone with me because I will show you most of the time I'm just jumping. All of the time I'm just jumping on nameless and get wiped
Yeah,
because
same
I'm
now.
alone. I have record on this.
Yes,
But anyway,
yes,
yeah, we can
please.
discuss after this. I can show you some.
Är invading with their whole fucking attack here. I'm dead in jungle.
On
Top
what
jungle.
side?
Top, always top.
There are people on mid. I can't move. There's 3 people, 4 people in mid now.
Same, I can.
You're joking. Get me off this shit. I hate this. I hate that so badly. That needs to be fixed. Okay, Americo, I see you. I am healing you. We are missing some people on mid. No?
Yeah,
We're
yeah,
only
I'm fine.
3.
Yeah.
This is getting gangbanged. If whoever is supposed to come would please come.
Yeah, yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Thank you. Much appreciated. Okay, Americo,
As we are in
come
the
to...
back.
This. Let's kill this nameless. All of them on the back.
Oh, that was a close call.
Okay, they're leaving bot, it seems.
We're not communicating.
Never mind. No.
Yeah. I'm trying. Like all of them on the mid.
Yeah, they're way more than we are.
Yeah.
A few seconds and I will have
Pull
Nets, I think. Yeah.
No.
We on these 3 here. Good.
Oh my god, I'm trying my best to
10
heal you,
seconds.
man.
There is a nameless on the side.
Yeah, I see him. I can rest you
Top is
soon.
down, top is down. They're going for middle.
Healing on you. Oh.
Oh my
I don't have
god.
ult yet.
This guy chasing
Nothing
me
I can
like
do. I'm
I'm just getting swarmed.
struggling to stay alive as soon as I get res.
I used healing ult to try and keep you guys alive a little bit.
look, you see this guy? He's
Yeah.
chasing me for like half an hour right now.
Yeah, he's doing exactly what he needs to. Like, that is his job. That is like
Yeah.
the exact same thing as our tanks should be doing. Probably are trying their best to do. Is literally just that. Just chasing people down like that.
Big pull here. No.
Okay, we're going back to Goose.
Jungle in 1 minute, guys.
Got you. Thank you, Fizu. Okay, I am on top gate.
As we are in your back.
Yeah, yeah, I'm going back.
Fizu is being harassed. Nice. I'm trying to heal our healer.
I killed the healer.
Nice. We also wondered.
Let's go to
Guys.
this guy called Azar on the top. He's
Jungle?
free casting.
Boss?
I put heroes in
Jungle?
front.
Boss?
Yes,
Get up
jungle,
here.
jungle.
Running to jungle?
All of them are coming for you.
They're all going jungle.
They're all coming for you.
Yeah, go to
guys.
jungle, jungle.
I'm trying to come fast. This guy's still on me. Like,
I got him, I got him, I got him, I got him.
Did you get a cheeser?
No.
Goose
A
or
big
bot
pull here,
boss?
big pull here.
yeah, but
Going boss. Okay, they got the boss.
Okay, run back to Goose. Okay, I'm on bot gate.
I have full ready in base.
I can follow up.
In front of the tree.
All right, middle gate.
Doll is
Pulling
right behind you,
three.
Shizu.
More to the bottom. Now.
Emeralco, where are you?
I'm on the healer. Lottie, they get spot.
Hero is out.
Location is what I'm asking for, but thank you.
Our tower, mid tower.
Okay.
Holding.
I'm coming to our
bottom.
base.
Executed.
there is a big.
Okay,
long-
I'm running over to you and Fizu. I can
Nameless
buff
on
you
the front of the
in
door.
Mid gate,
17.
there's a
Main door,
bunch here.
5 of
Gonna do a
nameless
big pull
main
mid
door.
gate.
I'm alone there.
You're alone where? Alone where? Where's the goose? Where's the goose? Keep talking. As soon as we stop talking, we're gonna die.
This in
Okay,
the
I have
middle.
full ready.
Goose is in the middle.
Look at top side wall.
Thank you.
Top side.
Top side, yeah.
I can
Trying to
follow
heal
up.
Emeralco.
There is a nameless free casting in the mid door.
Get counted.
Big
Healing
group
ult.
on the gate on top.
Main door. 5 nameless main door.
Focus this booba guy, guys.
I'm bombing
He's
them.
their
Main
top
door.
damage.
Shit.
I'll pull up.
Popper, you
On
mean?
the 3. Oh, wait.
I have umbrella ult. If Nameless can get her up a little bit.
5 nameless, 6 nameless now. The main door.
Come on, you.
Thanks. Can
Thanks,
you focus
can you
booba
focus
guy,
booba
please? The nameless guy.
Main door, there is a lot of nameless.
I have full
Main
for
door?
main, for middle.
I see you. I see you.
Pulling
Trying
now.
to heal for you.
Now.
Follow it up.
Nice pull.
Okay,
Nice
main
pull.
door, I'm bombing. On 3, 2,
I'm silencing. Now I'm floating.
bombing now.
I put
Healing
hero.
ult. That was probably.
Ulti in
double
middle in
ulting.
3, 2, 1.
Jungle in 1 minute.
I have res. I tried to res you. I clicked you, but it did not res you for whatever reason.
Okay, get outside. Get outside.
There's the Trias outside of the base.
Trees anti-healed.
I am right behind you, Fizu. Don't think we can go for
Nameless.
this.
Trees almost dead.
Nameless top side.
Nope.
I'm nobody who I healed. I clicked on you though, but I didn't press you. Okay, come on, guys. Now we have a break. Now we gotta communicate.
Yeah.
I know it's hard when we're losing, but as soon as we stop talking, we're absolutely doomed. There's... Fizu just died in bot side jungle. I tried to heal him, but there were too many. When we
Do we
come
move
out
to
of
top
the...
or bottom jungle?
Yeah, we're on the bottom jungle. Probably no reason to come in. What we need is probably to take one of the chokes and try to hit tanks in the pools in front of the chokes, and we try to throw waves down the chokes. Oh, thank you. Don't want that. None of that. I'm out.
I'm coming to top. Alright, they fall.
Thanks. Pull. Call some pulls. Do something.
Okay. But there is no group. It's only three.
Yeah.
Let's wipe him here. Yeah, healing grid.
Trees almost
Just
dead.
kill him.
Trees almost dead. I think it's just someone just
Okay,
killed
now
it.
we have a group. Hold on the
Pull
tree. On
ready.
a 3,
No, we're dying.
2.
Lions were in front of the
Nameless
tree on
in
that
front
group.
again.
On the front, I'm doing bomb.
Kazuya, can you try to get to
Now.
the front together with Fizu? And me?
Yeah. I'm behind the tree. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Yeah. If we distract these guys, they can't wave on our allies. Oh. I don't have rest yet. Sorry. There you go.
I swear, like, these guys just use everything on me.
Wait, are we all clumped in one way and Nameless are charging on you on the side? Guys.
Can I get a rest?
Depends on how far back you are. Because I can't find you here. I'm resting somebody, but I'm resting the only one I could read. I'm doing everything I can to keep Gara Clerical King alive right now. Even that is not enough. Yeah, I have 2 people. Oh, they got me. I'm probably gonna rest, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna respawn. Drink, drink, drink. Okay, everybody should come to bot side of the.
Get in front of the bridge. Exit of the bridge.
We're dead.
I will give anti-heal to a tree.
Side, nameless.
Boss is on top.
I'm dead. I'm not hearing any pulls.
Nameless on the back now.
I'm in
Like
front of
7
the
of them.
tree, but
We need to plan.
And do pulls there.
I
Behind
Like
the
even
tree.
if you die, it's still gonna disrupt them for a moment because that's what they do.
I'm doing
Okay, I'm
pull
pulling behind the tree.
Are we running for the
Okay, do
boss? Are we going for the boss?
I'm
I
following.
see attack is going for the boss.
Yeah.
I'm running for the boss.
Me too.
Yeah, they are moving to a boss.
They're on the boss.
Fika vi rätt.
Did we get it?
No.
Again in.
Okay, let's get out. Try not to die.
Guys, the jungle. Who remembered the jungle?
The one who passed it. Okay, I am in front of the blue tree. Oh, I saw you die.
Trying to do anything.
I have 16 seconds for my ulti. Attack is here. I'm being attacked. I have Invis guys attacking me.
Oh, I think we're wiped.
I think we have a real problem in our team play.
Yeah. Ay, ay, ay. That is a GG.